Tracking Calendly events in Google Analytics 4 allows you to analyze user interactions and booking behaviors on your website. Here's how to set it up. Set up Google Tag Manager. Ensure you have GTM installed on your website. If you haven't set it up yet, create a GTM account and add the GTM code snippet to your website. GA4 configuration tag. In GTM, create a new tag. Choose Google Analytics GA4 configuration and enter your GA4 measurement ID. This tag should fire on all pages. Track Calendly events. Create a new tag for tracking Calendly events. Choose Google Analytics GA4 event as the tag type. Name the event. Set the event parameters to capture relevant data. Set up triggers. Create a trigger that activates when a Calendly booking occurs. This might involve setting up a click trigger for the Calendly booking button or a page view trigger for the thank you page that appears after booking. Test and publish. Use GTM's preview mode to test your tags and triggers. Make sure data is sent to GA4 correctly when bookings are made. Once confirmed, publish your changes. View data in GA4. After successful tracking, go to your GA4 account to analyze the event data, helping you understand user behavior and improve your scheduling process.